Hello elephant class. Today is Monday and it's a brand new week. So again, we're all at home because school is shut. So let's say hello to everyone again. First person is Albie. Hello Albie. Next person, Isaac. Hello Isaac. Next person, Isabel. Hello Isabel. Next person, James B. Hello James B. Next person is Lewis. Hello Lewis. Next person, Violet. Hello Violet. Next person is James M. Hello James M. Next person is Harry. Hello Harry. Next person is Poppy. Hello Poppy. And next person is Faith. Hello Faith. I hope you're all feeling okay today. So we're finished saying hello. Now it's time to go over to Jazz, who's going to show you an exciting science experiment. Goodbye elephant class.
Hello elephant class, it's Jazz. I hope you're all well at home. Today Jazz is going to do something really exciting and fun for you guys, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. So today I'm going to do a science experiment, and we did this in elephant class, so some of you might even remember we had lots of fun mixing colours. So what we need for our experiment is we need some water, we need some Skittles, and we need a plate. Now you can use any shape you would like. You can use, for your experiment, you can use a circle, you can use a triangle, or you can use a square. Now Jazz is going to use a circle. So what we need to do first is we need to get our Skittles and place them on a plate in the shape you would like to do. So Jazz is going to do a circle, so I'm going to get my Skittles and I'm going to place them all the way around like a circle, and my Skittles are the rainbow colours. So you can try 2 colours or you can try 3 colours. You can try any colour you want, or any shape you would like too. So keep placing the Skittles in the shape that you would like. Okay, all the way round. So I've used rainbow colours. Fill the plate as much as you can because it'll look really colourful at the end. Okay, so some more. So once you've got your shape, I think that should be fine. Once you've got your shape, you need the water. Now at this point you might need some help, okay? So you add the water to the Skittles, making sure the Skittles are covered. Okay, can you come over? There you go. Now elephant class, can you watch what happens? Now at this point it might take a little bit of time, but if you keep watching, so exciting elephant class. Can you see what's happening? And you see what's happening, the colours are coming away, aren't they? Wow. And you might have to wait a little bit, but it's exciting. And you see the colours mixing together. There you are, elephant class. Wasn't that fun watching? Now you can try at home, if you ask Mummy and Daddy, of course. I'll see you next time, elephant class. Take care and bye for now. Bye.